The next feature of democracy that we talked about was universal adult franchise. That is, everybody, irrespective of all the differences, has one vote of one value. But not all countries in the world who claim that they are democratic follow this rule. Now the exceptions are, for example, in Saudi Arabia, the women do not have the right to vote. So where is universal adult franchise? In Estonia, the government has made laws in such a manner that the Russian nationalities find it very difficult to get the voting right. Then when I talk of Fiji, the indigenous Fiji, that is the original or the people of Fiji, they have more value of their vote than the Indian Fiji. So where is democracy in these countries? Can you really say that they are democratic when they are not even following the simple basic element of democracy, that is universal adult franchise? But still the claim is we are a democratic nation. The next thing that we have to understand is the rule of law. As to how is the country ruled after the elections, how does the head behave? So I am picking up the example of Zimbabwe, wherein after independence, since 1980, the party which is ruling is ZANU-PF and the head is Robert Mugabe, who has been in power since then and has made certain rules and regulations to see that his position remains secure and becomes more secure. For example, he uses the most unfair means in all the elections to win the elections. He sees to it that he keeps on changing the constitution of the country to make his seat more powerful and to be in power for more number of years. It is also seen that the opposition parties are harassed and the meetings are disrupted every now and then. It is also seen that the media is totally under the government control and they keep on praising the government. The press is not allowed to criticize, and there are some independent newspapers, but the journalist cannot dare to criticize the present government. So where is democracy? Is it that just by holding elections in namesake, you become a democratic nation? Then you actually resort or sought to unfair means and you go about in a wrong manner, in a dictatorial manner, try to be in power for longer time and actually do not look after the welfare of the people and do not give the basic rights to the people. Your media is not free to criticize you, then where is democracy in the country? But yes, we are a democratic nation, they claim so.